What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Pedro. Boy. Yeah, a content creator from Jamaica, photographer, cinematographer, graphic designer. I'm here again. It's unboxing day. Roll intro. So getting that email or that any form of notification say, yo, your goods reach, the product is here. So yes, it's here. First time shooting a video like this as it relates to getting things from Amazon or eBay and say, let me do this. Normally I just unbox them myself. So the courier service that I use is called Oak Connect, delivered directly at my workplace. Let's get unboxing. So let me see. Like, look how them put this. Oh, them put this kinda nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's it. Ooh. Now this is nice. Wow, this feels monstrous. This V-mount battery, cool. Oh, nice. And then I have the charger. Oh, this is a huge portion. This is one stop so far. Top one bar on it. So this V-mount watch is what I'm going to use to power my Sony A7III and also the Ninja V monitor. Wow, okay. I'm pleased by this. It's very heavy. Okay, let me unbox the other item. What's in this? Yo, them package is very carefully. Oh, package very neatly. So this is the dummy battery for the Ninja V. Wow, cool stuff. Okay, let me just put this right here. So this can't be just one package. Let me see what's up here. Oh, that's it. So what's in this? Let me see. Oh, so this is the V-mount plate. Oh, I really never. Oh, so this is the V-mount plate. You know, that is super cool. So much Allen key. and them little thing here always sometimes get lost, so I have to put everything in one bag. Let me press this right here. Let's see what's in this. Where can I cut? Where can I cut? Because I don't want to damage anything in this bag. Okay. Oh yes, so this is it. So everything that I ordered, like, it is all connected. Well, most of them is all connected. The build doesn't feel that bad. It feels okay. It feels fine. Let's see how this works. So let me rest this right here. What's in this? Oh, I think this is the this is really heavy. Aha, I've been waiting for this for so long. Like, currently my workstation is it's a bit small, but with this I'm going to eliminate that waste of space. This is a vertical laptop stand. Ooh, and my phone can fit right here. So my phone fit right here. This is so perfect. This is so perfect. Laptop goes in here. Wow. So I must say thanks to Oak Connect for all of this. Yo, trust me, the process was very smooth, very easy. So nice. New gear just feels so nice. So I guess that's it.